Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integration. So now I will show you how to answer. A line with positive slope passing through the point negative number 1, positive number 1 and intersects the parabola y equals to x squared at the point P in such a way that the area of the region bounded by this line and the parabola is 9/2 square units. Determine the coordinates of P. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to graph the function and y equals to x squared. The graph should be like this. Now if we look carefully about the point negative number 1, positive number 1, this point is belong on parabola in here. So they should be in here. And this is about B. Oh sorry, this is I will put about A in here. And we know that this line they pass through the point negative number 1, 1. So the line should be like this because this is about the positive line, so they will go up. And we know that this one is about the area between the line and the curve in here. They want to find the point P in here. So I will put about C, D, and the line that is about y equal to AX plus B, and A should be about the positive in here. Now we see that B belongs to the parabola that's about y equal to x squared. Now if this one is about C, so D should be about C squared because we put C go in here to find the value of y. That's why you got about C squared. Now we have one equation in here. This line go through the point negative number 1, 1. So we put negative number 1 in here and positive number 1 go in here. So we have 1 equals to negative A plus B. And the next equation, this line they go to the point P and we have S equal to C and Y equal to C squared in here. So we have the second equations. And the last one, we have the area between the line and the curve. So we need to use about the integration. We see that they start from negative number 1 and they stop at C. So the integration they should be about from negative number 1 to C. To find the area, we need to use about upper minus lower, and we put about dx. So about upper, that's about y equal to AX plus B. So upper should be in here. The lower, that's about the curve in here. So the integration of this one, we have AX squared over 2. About B, we have BX. About this one, we have negative x to the power of 3 over 3. And we put the bound from negative number 1 to C. Now we put C gone here. Negative number 1 gone here. Negative number 1 with the power 2 in here. That's about even power. So we have 1 over 2a. Negative we put in here. You got about negative b. Negative with the odd power. So you got about negative number 1. Negative number 1 with negative. You got about positive 1 over 3. And the area we just held, that's about 9 over 2. Now we need to simplify. Now I will put this one go to the right. And we have 9 over 2 plus 1 over 3. We have 29 over 6. So we have this equation number 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. And we have 3 variables. We can find the value . So I use about the program to calculate about ABC, and we will have about A equals to number 1, B equals to number 2, and C equals to number 2. So because we want to find about coordinate of B, so we have B is about C squared, and we put number 2 going here and here. And the line we can calculate in here. We see that coefficient is about number 1. Number 1 is greater than number 0. So we can accept about this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.